Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to install Outlook on iPhone. So first of all, open App Store, tap on the search icon to the bottom right corner, type here Outlook, tap on Outlook, and here you'll get Microsoft Outlook application. So to install it, all you have to do is just tap on Get and double click on side button, and then as you can see, Microsoft Outlook is started to install. It may take some time to finish installing. So that's how you can install Outlook on iPhone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.